So we just completed another successful tax season, and a couple of things are pretty interesting regarding this tax season that we just went through. As you know, our firm specializes in tax preparation, tax planning, and tax resolution. And what I found in the 2025 tax season is that a larger percentage of clients don't have the ability to pay the taxes at the IRS. So therefore, they fall right into tax resolution because then they need to hire me to go out and negotiate with the IRS and obtain some kind of installment agreement or payment agreement or whatever may be necessary. I think two of the clients I just went through, more than likely we're going to have to do an offer and compromise because they don't have the financial means to be able to pay their debt. So that's one of the major issues that we saw in the 2025 tax season. The other issue that I noticed is that although a lot of the clients that we do business with and that we do taxes for, they do in excess or they generate revenues in excess of $100,000 if they're individuals, so they get paid via W-2 or 1099s. But we also have small business owners that generate large amounts of revenues throughout the year. Some of them may be $500,000, others may be north of $1 million. But what I'm finding interesting is a lot of these clients that we're now doing tax preparation for now fall into the tax planning section of what we do because of the fact that they don't have the means to be able to pay the IRS. And it's not that they just don't generate the revenue to do so. It's just that the vast majority of these people know how to make money. They just don't know how to build wealth. Most of the time, they're building somebody else's wealth because of the things that they do. But for the vast majority of them, they just don't know how to manage money and how to manage wealth. So one of the plans that we offer our tax clients is once we finish with the tax preparation, we'll take a look and do an audit as to where it is that there are financially and where they could be if they do some tax planning. If we can see that we can improve their financial situation on an annual basis by 25, 30, 35, 40, sometimes even 50%, then we make an offer to them to move forward with our tax planning capabilities. So for those of you that may have just done your taxes and you find yourselves with the fact that you cannot pay the taxes today, or you find yourself that you're generating good revenues, but you just don't know what happens or what happened with the money at the end of the year, feel free to reach out. My name is Bert Salazar, and you can see there on the screen, you can see my information. You can give me a call at 888 IRS 0108 or 888-477-0108. You can also send me an email at bert, gablestaxgroup.com, and we'll be more than happy to help you. If we need to take a look at your 2025 tax return, the one that you have filed, and do a tax audit on it, then we're more than happy to help you with that. And then if you fit the profile for tax planning, then obviously we can do that as well. Ultimately, if you owe a lot of money to the IRS and you need to negotiate with them, then we'll be here to help you as well, because we do have the ability and the license to be able to negotiate with the IRS directly on your behalf. So have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.